Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. I'm Anna. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. You don't know how to say you're welcome? That's why we're here today and we're going to talk about this. Everyone knows that the most popular response to thank you is you're welcome. But there are more ways to do this. I have prepared 7 for you and let's go through them one by one. No problem. It is a very informal way to say you're welcome. Repeat after me. No problem. No problem. Next, we have no worries. It is an expression that means do not worry about that. That's all right. You don't have to say thank you. It's a very casual way of saying you're welcome. The next expression is it's nothing. Sometimes people say that as a polite response to thank you. For example, someone tells you, thank you for helping me with this, and you say, oh, it's nothing. It means it is not difficult for you to do this. Or you can say, it was nothing, if something happened in the past. For example, thanks that you did this for us, and you can say, it was nothing. It means it was not difficult for you to do this for them. Next, we have a little bit more formal way to say you're welcome. It's my pleasure. You can say my pleasure, or it's my pleasure, or just it was my pleasure. For example, if someone tells you thanks for your help and cooperation, you can say my pleasure, or you can say it was my pleasure. Let's look now at some longer ways to say you're welcome. Anything for you. Anything for you is a short form of the phrase, I would do anything for you. For example, if your friend tells you, oh, thank you, you're the best, you can say anything for you. It means that your friend is special to you and you would do anything to this person. Or there is a similar phrase. You can say anything that makes you happy. For example, thank you so much for doing this for me, and you can say anything that makes you happy. Next, imagine you helped your neighbor to fix something, and he tells you, thank you so much for helping me fix this. And here you can say, I'm happy to help. Or you can say, I was happy to help. This is a very positive way of saying you're welcome, right? There is actually a very interesting and a very casual form of you're welcome that is used in Canada. For some people, it sounds really weird when they hear, But you can hear this, for example, in the response to a cashier saying thank you after a transaction. Thank you. And this is the shortest way to say you are welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Bye.